Okay, so I thought it was time for us to do another walk through of the house now that we have a little bit more walls up. Doors are going to be delivered the end of the month. We have an electrical box now. The batten has been installed almost all the way around the house. There's a little spot in the front that hasn't been done. We had a little bit of a debacle with our garage doors. Our original plan was to do two 9-foot garage doors, but the holes were too small. They were only 8 foot wide. So our fix initially was to do a single 18-foot garage door, cut that center post out and put another support beam across the top. County inspector said we can't do that unless we redraw the plans, resubmit them to the county, and that's going to add another month or two to our build time. That is not something we can do because you got to consider the interest rate that you're paying on a building loan. So what we ended up doing is cutting out the extra foot we need on the outside of each garage door. So we have to cut that piece of concrete off. And same thing on the other side. We cut the extra foot we needed to get the 9-foot garage doors out of the outside edge of the garage. So now we do not have to resubmit because that's what's technically on the plans. You can see here the front of the house. They ran out of batten material about right there. So this whole little front area, they have it up to this point here, but there's nothing on the very front of the house. But that's the only place that's missing it right now. So, walking into the front door. So this is the front door. This is the foyer. This will be a pocket door going into the laundry room. You can see that the HVAC has all been started. They've got all the HVAC started to run through the house. That was actually just done yesterday. We're going to have a sink in the corner. That's a door going out to the garage. So there'll be a sink in the corner, dryer, washer, and then there'll be a corner cabinet going all the way around with a spot for a cat box on the bottom, and then upper cabinets going all the way around with a hanging pole too, so that I can hang clothes up. So that is that. You can see the plumbing has started being run. And coat closet is right here. This will be the dining room. This will be the kitchen. And you can see where I have sort of marked out the space for the island. It is 101 inches wide, I don't know how you want to, I guess if you're going this way it's wide, and 55 inches deep. Countertop going all the way around. Back of the kitchen. There'll be a refrigerator there, about a 2-foot about 22 to 24 inch countertop with cabinets above and below, and then the double ovens, a little bit more counter space. This little center mark here on the wood marks the center of the vent for the cooktop. And then the countertop goes all the way around. This corner will have one of my antique doors going all the way around. Microwave will be built in on the upper cabinets here, with the other antique door being on this side over here. Pantry. My plan is to have 16-inch shelves on both sides, so 16 inch on the left, 16 inch on the right, and then 24 inches deep in the back, going all the way up. More HVAC stuff. So that is the pantry. Then here is the living room. Windows installed, picture window there with the view that we were trying to capitalize on. Fireplace has been built in right there. That should be coming in very shortly. Fireplace. We have a coat closet. I'm sorry, linen closet, not a coat closet, linen closet right there. Going down this hallway here, this will be what I'm calling the Mickey room. It has the best view of all of the bedrooms. Has the view of the peaks. So it has the best view of all of the bedrooms. But this is the Mickey room. So spare bedroom number 1. Going back down the hallway here, this first room, beyond that bedroom is the office space. So this will be office. Going beyond the linen closet is the guest bath, which there will be a tall linen closet here, vanity with our Mickey Mouse sink that we bought 25 years ago, toilet, walk-in shower over here, and then this will be another cabinet spot. The bottom will be another cat box spot with shelving and cabinetry above it. So this is our guest bath. This is the craft room. This is also the room that the furnace is going to be in. That's the platform for the furnace up there. Moving along here, this is the one that I'm calling Nona's room, because I have my grandmother's antique bedroom furniture. There's a transom window up there, another window here. And this is spare bedroom number 2. There's the closet for it. I'll explain that opening in just a minute. So moving along to the other side of the house. Will is measuring the foyer so that we can properly block out the mirror that we bought to go there. So here is our bedroom. And closet. Pretty big closet. You can tell what's important to us is storage space, because we just don't have any right now. So this is the closet. And our bathroom, which has just been framed out. This first section over here will be the bathtub. That back area back there where the ladder is will be our shower. Vanities over here. Toilet room right there. And then last but not least is the family room. There will be, we're doing the laminate flooring in every room except for the bedrooms. The bedrooms will have carpet in them. And then there'll be some carpet in the family room, but we'll have the laminate flooring go straight through here all the way down. And then about where that wall is right there is the line where the carpet will be in this room. So it'll just be like a square of carpet in here. So carpet in this room right here. That's our pocket door on the floor there for installation. This is the family room. And there's a sliding glass door here with our patio. So our patio. And then this is the back side of the closet that was in what I'm calling Nona's room here. And the reason that's opened up is it is going to be framed in here, kind of at a diagonal right here, and closed off so that this side will be open and we'll have a panel in front. But this will be like a media closet for, you know, things like modem and stuff like that that can be hidden away. So on this side of the closet, it'll basically be from there over. It'll be closet space. And there you go. That's our most current walkthrough. It's coming along.